In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook comment will appear when online. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing is that this issue, when there is a pop-up message that says comment will appear when online, is due to unstable internet connection. So what we want to do is to make sure that we are connected to a Wi-Fi and our connection is stable. So if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi, you want to make sure that you your connection to your mobile data is also stable. So what we can do is to just disable it and enable it again. So if you have a good internet connection but this issue still persists, what we can do is to go to our phone settings and go to our app settings. And from here, we want to find Facebook. So we want to scroll until we find Facebook. Now from here, we can see all of the settings for Facebook. So we want to scroll down and go to storage. From here, we just want to tap on clear cache and clear data. So after we have done that, we want to restart our phone and your problem should be fixed by now. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.